Are we rolling? Alright guys, what's going on? So today, like I promised in the last video, we have these RallyArmor mud flaps and we're going to be installing them on the Subi today. What I'm doing here is I'm fitting them to the car and I'm trying to pick a way to mount these where they'll hang off the bottom just enough to look cool without scraping the actual floor too much. Ah! Here, bring that over here so that... Cool. We got a hole, we got a 1/4-inch hole, so what I did was I used a 1/4-inch bit and I have some 1/4-inch nut right here, and then we're just gonna put that in there, and that's muy bueno. That's perfect. That's exactly where I want it to be. All that good shit.
And the nut has a stopper on it.
It has a, yeah, it's a nylon locking nut so that this won't, like, you know, just randomly come loose on me or anything like that. Makes life just a little bit easier, Morty. So if I put a hole through this, and then a whole thing, I could zip tie it to here. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. Alrighty, so we got 2 holes in now. Now all we need to do is just get a quick last one in. Alright. And this last one I'm just gonna put in with a zip tie. This is who gives a shit.
Nah, I'm not gonna do that.
We got holes. The back's gonna be a little bit harder because the wheel well is a little bit stiffer. So I'm gonna need to push, and there we go. Cool.
Mud flaps are the only car part that are meant to be put on backwards.
So what I'm gonna have to do now is I'm gonna have to find something. You know what I mean? Like something right here. There we go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to put a little juice in this right here.
Put a little
juice in this thing right here. Alright.
Put juice in that thing.
I just realized I put that in backwards, so instead of being a smart person and turning it around, I'm just gonna grind it off.
It's my favorite smell on earth, Brian.
Whoa. I think that's way too far down.
I think that's way too flappy.
Yeah, that's just gonna fucking... Dude, that's just gonna fucking fall on the floor. Alright, we got them zip ties on. Thing, I can zip tie it to here. Nah, I'm not gonna do that.
Alright.
We got the backside done. Completely.
Okay. Especially giving children pudding.
So let's get a shot of these. These actually look pretty cool. I'll get another good shot once we put the car outside after this. But we got these mud flaps that actually look pretty good on the car. So we're just gonna go and repeat the process on the other side, time lapse that shit, and see what happens when we're done. See how it looks. All right, guys. Jake's on the way back. We're gonna switch out batteries. Then as soon as he gets here, we're gonna do the rest of this.
Missing someone. With all your
have no idea how to torque lug nuts down, by the way. So I'm just like, doing it with the fucking impact wrench until it stops.
It's probably good enough.
I think this one goes to like 230 pound-feet, and I'm pretty sure the torque spec is 90.
So what's up? I'm back. No more Misha. It's JD now. I'm taking over.
So down here, you may be able to tell, you may not with the camera, but I put some lines in it with my knife, and I'm gonna kind of just use these lines that I cut into it to line it up so that it's mounted exactly the same as the other piece. And the first thing I need to do is take off these OEM mud flaps here. So I didn't explain it earlier, but I need to get rid of this OEM little mud flap thing on the front and the back, and then we should be good to go. After that, bolt these right on where the other ones are on the other side. Put the wheel back on, put it down, and go mudding. Okay, now how do we get this one off again? Oh yeah, that's right. Just knock it. Yeah, there we go.
Now with this method, you may not be able to reuse your OEM mud flaps, but who cares?
Yeah, fuck it.
Missing someone. Missing someone.
You know what though? This one sucks. So I'm just gonna zip tie it. There's a spot right here that I can drill for another zip tie first. I tried to do this all legit, make like bolts and you know, do all sorts of cool shit. Like I did bolts on the other side, but on this side I'm just doing all zip ties because I don't give a fuck anymore. Honestly though, guys, if you're doing this at home and you're following these exact steps, then you probably shouldn't be doing this. There's instructions. I just chose not to read them. Yeah, this is see, all of the videos that I make about custom doing shit on my car, they are not tutorials. I try to be informative with it, but I just end up winging it about 15 seconds into the video. So, seems to work though. It's not going anywhere. Yo, I wonder if you can ride this.
I think so.
Oh shit, it's working. Oh shit. Alright. Onward, noble steed. Jesus. Never again. There we go. Coilovers are good for something. Yo, last one. We're almost done. Zip tie fucking everything. Mint. right, Morty. Let's do this.
It's the end of the video.
It's the end of the video. We're gonna lower it, and then we're gonna take some pictures. Close enough. All right, guys. So we got the mud flaps installed on the Subi today, and it took, as you can see, the sun's down. It took way longer than it should have, but that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Good night.
ありがとうございます。